Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna talk about the Shiba Inu coin and the Shiba Swap updates. So make sure to watch the video till the end and hit the subscribe button as it motivates me to make better content for you all. So let's dive into the video. Have a look at the coin market cap of the Shiba Inu coin. It is currently ranked 29 and is on more than 800,000 watch list. It is trading at price of 0.000008151, up by almost 4% in the last 24 hours. The volume has increased by 70% in 24 hours. Market cap of Shiba Inu is about 3.2 billion, which is up by 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu is showing positive momentum. Last video it was also in the green, up by few percent, and today it is up by 4%. This shows a positive sign and good things are going to come for the Shiba Inu coin. All you need to do is just hold your coins strong and get through this market correction. Once it's gonna over, everything gonna be alright, and Shiba Inu is definitely going to some planet. Now let's have a look on the chart of Shiba Inu coin. It is up by 5.3% in the last hour. 24 hours it is up by 3.8%. In 7 days down by 48%. 14 days down by 48%. And in 30 days up by 400%. That's not bad. This is the rank for Shiba Army. So let me know in the comments how many Shiba Inu coins you hold and your rank in the Shiba Army. The entire crypto space is bleeding. Bitcoin is down by 25% in the last 7 days. Ethereum, which was trading at above $4,000, is now currently at $2,000. But there is no need to worry about Shiba Inu coin because it is not related to all of these. The whole crypto market is in red, but Shiba is the only coin that is in green. So I think something is cooking and something is going to be huge. Famous American rapper Meek Mill has tweeted about Shiba Inu coin. He tweets, "I am about to buy some Shiba Inu coins." He has more than 10 million followers on his Twitter, which is a good sign for the Shiba Inu community. He influences a lot of people over the social media, so many will buy the coin and its price will explode. So this is the Discord page of the Shiba Inu coin. Satoshi Kosama tells that, "First, I am a talkative dude, so if I am quiet, I am in the labs with the devs. This isn't a rug or some type of scam. This is major and I take it seriously as such. That being said, I apologize, I can't be more vocal right now. I am being careful because we are 100% focused on security and me saying the wrong thing could cause issues unforeseen. So here is what I can say without too much drama. The internal audits did exactly what we expected, especially since we watched other places get hacked. It allowed us to look at things differently and figure out methodologies to make sure we stay as close as to the newspaper as possible while creating a fully secure system." Shiba Inu is currently ranked 1 on the top trending coins of the CoinGecko. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you everyone.